Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist, comedian Mr. Macaroni speaks on his rejection of the invitation to meet with Vice President in Abuja. Let's check out the story. Popular comedian Mr. Macaroni has given reasons why he didn't join his colleagues to meet with Vice President Osinbanjo. Taoma, Just Too Funny, and other top Instagram skit makers met with Osinbanjo on Thursday and have since then been criticized. Macaroni, who was missing in the picture, said he rejected the invitation to meet with Osinbanjo because he is not happy with Nigerian leaders and does not want to be associated with them. In a series of tweets, he said, "Honestly, I have tried so hard not to say anything about this issue, but I have seen some comments and conclusions that do not really sit well with me. My conscience will not allow me to keep mute, so I have to say what I know for my conscience and posterity. First, I do not think there is an association of skit makers. If there is, then I do not know anything about it, and that would be fine because I am an actor and thespian first before the tag skit maker. So, I don't think those that went to see the VP without me or anyone else meant to sideline me. I want to believe that they were invited to see the Vice President by the organizers of an award ceremony the same way I was invited. The only difference is that I declined the invitation. The reason I declined is simple. As a citizen, I am not happy with our leaders and I do not want to associate with them. It's okay if others believe that sitting with the government will change certain things and decide to try it out. I don't think they should be crucified for that. I have just seen too much to know that the government sees and hears everything. They and their workers are always on the internet. They know what we cry and complain about, and they do nothing about it. So what will sitting down with them to tell them what they already know change? I don't know what was discussed in that meeting as I was not there. But I don't believe those that went there would go there to say anything other than demanding for better governance and leadership, as we all have been doing all this while. Where I stand is that this is election season. The politicians that have abandoned us for years will start coming back to us again to promise heaven and earth. We need to see beyond their deceit. All they care about is photo op. Look around, the PR work has started massively. When politicians say they want to engage me, I always tell them to pick a public place where all members of press would be present so that I can say my mind as I see it. When they are begging for votes, they come to us publicly. So why do you want to see me privately? I am no hero or saint. I am not perfect. I am only a concerned citizen who wants a better nation for myself and for every other Nigerian. I use my voice, my craft, and my platform to do this, and I have been greatly persecuted for it. This is who I am. It is who I have always been even before fame. I have suffered so much for it, and sometimes I ask myself why I am the way I am. But anytime I remember how many lives I have been able to impact positively, I am at peace with myself. I don't think it would be fair to hold any other person by these standards. Hoping we all can promote peace and unity amongst ourselves and explore whatever means we deem fit to demand for a better nation for ourselves and the generations to come. Debo, love." Well, since he made this post, Mr. Macaroni has gotten a lot of praises from people who think that he made a better choice than his colleague in the skit-making industry who decided to honor the visit instead of turning it down. What do you think, guys? Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe.